Hey there, my amazing followers. Today we are diving deep into the beautiful world of Islam. Whether you are curious, seeking guidance, or simply looking for inspirations, this video is for you. So let's get started. Part 1 is what is Islam? Islam is not just a religion, it is a complete way of life. It teaches us to surrender ourselves to the will of Allah God, and find peace through submission. Islam is built upon five pillars: Shahada, Fatiha, Salah prayers, Zakat charity, Sawm fasting, and Hajj pilgrimage. The pillars provides a strong foundation for our spiritual journey. Part 2 is benefits of Islam. The benefits of Islam is embracing Islam are truly remarkable. Firstly, it offers us a sense of purpose and direction in life. Islam teaches us priorities our relationship with Allah and strives for righteousness through prayers, fasting, and acts of charity. We develop self-discipline and empathy towards others. Moreover, Islam promotes family values and emphasizes the importance of strong bonds within our communities. It encourages kindness, compassion, and respect for all individuals regardless of their backgrounds of belief. Part 3 is Quran's guidance. The Quran is the holy book of Islam believed to be the word of Allah revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It serves as a comprehensive guide for all aspects of life. Within its verses, we find wisdom, guidance, and solutions to our daily struggle. The Quran teaches us to seek knowledge, be just in our dealing and strive for excellence in all that we do. It emphasizes the importance of patience during challenges, time, and remind us that every hardship has a purpose. Part 4 is the beauty of Islam. Islam is not a set of rules, rituals. It is a way to beautify our character. It encourages us to be humble, forgiving, and grateful. Islam teaches us to appreciate the blessing around us and to be mindful of our actions. Serve as a source of inspiration, reminding us of the importance of love, unity, and presence. They are like gems that guide us towards a better understanding of ourselves and the world we live in. In conclusion, Islam is a path towards inner peace and fulfillment. It offers countless benefits for our personal growth, relationship, and overall well-being. By embracing Islam teachings and reflecting upon its wisdom, we can lead purposeful lives, striving for excellence while spreading love and kindness. Remember, my dear followers, Islam is a journey of a continuous learning and growth. If you have any question or want to explore more about this beautiful faith, feel free to search out. Stay blessed, stay inspired, and until next time, cute smile, keep blazing. Allah Hafiz.